Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to open and close the car hood of your Toyota Auris. So let's start. Open the driver's side and go to the pedals. Here you can see the pedals on the right side, and on the left side you can see that lever. Yeah, pull this lever to you. Good job. That's enough. Now go in the front of the car, and here you can see the car hood is unlocked. If you can see the brand sign, and over it, here you can find the lever. This lever and the car hood, you can walk upward. Here you can see the lever. Up, yeah, now it's unlocked. Good job. Now we can open the car hood. To support the car hood, in front of you there's a stick, a supporting stick. This stick matches with this hole. Now it's time to see the hybrid energy drive. Yeah, synergy drive. Oh, this it is. To close after the job is done, push a little bit the car hood up, then remove the supporting stick and get him back to the host. Job's done. Then let the car hood drop into the lock about 10 until 15 centimeters. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.